quick reading for the entire month of February, Leo. We have the World card, the Queen of Swords, the Nine of Cups. So parang medyo matagal tayong nagtulog-tulog as a Leo, no? Now, we will unleash the Leo inside of us. What I'm trying to say here is baka nagpaamo-amo, no? Nagbait-baitan. Hindi ko sinasabing salbahe ang Leo, ah. Which is parang more of naging tahimik tayo, no? Nitong mga nakaraang buwan or even the last year. Pero ngayon ipapakita mo kung sino si Leo. So medyo magtatapang-tapangan din tayo ng very light. Magiging medyo mahigpit tayo sa pag-handle, no, nitong relationship. And I think that this is time for you to drive the connection dahil ikaw naman talaga, no, ang way para maging smooth itong relationship ninyo. Sorry, inuubo tayo ha. So, I'm seeing wish will be fulfilled this entire month of February dahil ito sa iyong perseverance and yung outlook, no, dito sa relationship. So this is your quick reading for the entire month of February, Leo.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye bye love.